Take a ride in the 2022 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.